Hi, I'm Chad S. White, the head of research at Oracle Marketing Consulting and the author of Email Marketing Rules. I hope you'll join me at MarketingProfs B2B Forum, where I'll be leading the next level email marketing workshop. In this workshop, I'll frame up and dive into key areas of email marketing, dispelling myths, breaking down the channel's complexities so you can identify improvements for your program. We'll talk about the latest trends in email subject line writing and email design, which success metrics to focus on and how to avoid misusing metrics, how to increase your email deliverability and avoid problems, how to improve email personalization, segmentation, and automation, and much, much more. At the end of this workshop, you'll not only walk away with a better understanding of how email marketing works, but a list of initiatives you can start implementing right away. I can't wait to see you at my next level email marketing workshop.